The Book of Deuteronomy, a brief introduction. Deuteronomy, which means second law, is a retelling by Moses of the teachings and events of Exodus, Leviticus, and Numbers. It includes an extended review of the Ten Commandments, chapter 4, verses 44 to chapter 5, verse 33, and Moses' farewell address to a new generation of Israelites as they stand ready to take possession of the promised land. Moses reminds them of God's faithfulness and love, but also of God's wrath on the previous generation of Israelites because of their rebellion. Repeatedly, he charges Israel to keep the law. Deuteronomy is a solemn call to love and obey the one true God. There are blessings for faithfulness and curses for unfaithfulness. The book closes with the selection of Joshua as Israel's new leader and the death of Moses.